Welcome back. Today I got a Macbook Pro. As you can see, okay, let's open it right up. There we go. Wow, so clean. Okay, I'm just gonna put that off to the side. Okay, there's the charger. Type C to Type C. Any Apple stickers? Not that I see. Oh wait, I see it. Oh, I've only seen the white ones in person, but this one's surfboard. Okay, and I was kind of surprised because this is 96 watts, and I thought the max that they do is 80 something. Well, here's the chargers and stuff. This box is so thick. Okay. Well, I forgot to grab my laptop so I can show you guys on screen stuff. But let's open this up. Okay, ready? Okay, that's that. Ready? First look. I'm already getting fingerprints on it, but first look. Oh. Whoa. That's huge. It's so clean. I don't want to get any fingerprints though. The keyboard looks really small. Yeah, I don't know. But let me grab my laptop and then I can show you guys what's going on. Okay, I got the HDMI cord. Let me just get this USB to that and plug this into this and okay. And okay, so I got my laptop. Here's my Type C hub. I needed one for this too. So I'm just gonna plug this into the HDMI port. Plug this in to one of the 4 Type C ports, and then make sure this is connected, and then turn this on. The button's right here. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see it. Okay, it's the touch button. This also has fingerprint right here, so I'm just gonna turn it on. This is how you turn it on, right? I'm pretty sure this is how you turn it on. Is this not? Could it be dead? Okay, well, that gives us an excuse to open this up. Where's the little, okay. Oh, and this one works, okay. Well, it's a good thing I have a little hidden thing right here. So I can plug this guy in. Hopefully that doesn't fall. And open this up. Open this up. Okay. And I don't know, I'm hearing some weird noise. I'm gonna stay quiet so you guys can hear it. I don't know, it's really hard to tell, but it feels like the wires like crackling. Okay, and No, I'm confused. Why is the headphone jack all the way over there? Okay, turn this on from the button I showed you guys. It's not turning on. And I already got a fingerprint right there. What? Okay, let me take this recorder thing out. This is definitely. Oh, it's on. Okay. It's just the Apple logo. I would show you guys, but I don't want to mess with it because it's probably turned on. Plug that in. And. Okay, it's just doing the regular Apple loading screen. Give me stuff. Okay, I see something on that screen, so I'm just gonna start recording it. Can I not? Am I not allowed to record it? Is that it?
Press the return key.
I am doing it correctly. Oh. Okay, well, I guess I can show you guys this way. I don't know if you guys can see it, though. Ignore this. Ignore this. Put this off to the side. Okay. Okay, so it's typical English. English, of course. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry if you guys can't. I totally forgot to. I'm at my grandma's house again this weekend because they just need to finish up one little bit of the painting. So I forgot to bring my Osmo Mobile 3 to have a stand. I like this touch bar already. Okay, still loading. Let me check on the camera real quick. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I always get confused on these. I don't know why I get confused, but United States, of course. And the Wi-Fi, let me just quickly put this in. I'm loving this keyboard. Okay, messed it up. 6. Okay. Could not connect to that. Okay, you know what? We did it, and I'll just connect to. Sorry, you guys. Wi-Fi here is horrible to. It's horrible to connect to most because I always forget their password. Data and privacy, so continue. I do not want to transfer anything. Okay, Apple ID. Password. So it's having a problem with Apple. Oh, now I get the. Wow. Okay. It says term and condition. You have 1 year limited warranty. Yeah, sure. I agree. Agree. Okay, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna change the picture. Defaults video. Let's do. Okay, I guess we can leave it on gingerbread. Yeah. One sec, you guys. Here's just creating my account. Express setup, okay. You can share. Okay, enable Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the document folders. Hey Siri, show me my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of next? Next. Yes, this is what I wanted to show you guys. It's the thumb sensor. And then when it says lift and rest your finger on here on the bar, it's hard to show you guys. Yeah, there we go. Automatic. Next. True tone, show true tone. I was like, okay. Setting up your Mac. Oh my god. I think it's more clear than my laptop. Oh my god, it is more clear. Okay. Let me show you guys the things for it. One sec. Opening that up. Okay. I'm not gonna try to show you guys model number. I'll probably zoom in or take a picture and show you guys in the corner. But here it is. Hi Sierra. Hi Cataluna. I'll probably update it. Yeah, I'll just read it. 22.3 GHZs, 8-core Intel i9, 6 GB DDR4 memory, Intel UHD graphics 630, 2 GB MB, and I think that's pretty much it. It has, this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro, 1 terabyte SSD, and yeah, pretty much it. Let me sign in with Apple ID and let's see what's happening now. I just can't get used to this bar. I'm loving it. Oh, okay. Looks like it's... Wait. Don't tell me I'm messing up my password. I know it's... Okay. This is where I was. It didn't send me the Apple ID until... Okay. It's been used. Allow. Okay. And this is only because I have double identification. And now... Let's see. Sorry, guys. Okay, my password. Sorry, guys, phone calls. There we go. Okay. Oh, look, I'm already getting messages. Okay. Well, this is a really cool thing, and okay, I don't want any of this on my iPhone. Okay. Well, I will do this probably later. Nope, I'm loving this. Emails too. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. And I just want to, there it is. And I want to try the messages. Let's try, let me try, let's see. Oh, I love this bar. Allow. Okay, I did Google. Okay, let's do YouTube. Let me find my channel. Today with me, there's my channel. Okay. 1 sec. Sorry, you guys. It's making me sign into Google now. 1 sec. Okay, there we go. And later tonight. Okay. Ta-da! So, daylight savings starts. Oh, I thought daylight savings was today. Because I woke up at 6. I don't know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. As you can see, that is more clear than, let's see. Channel. Come on. My channel. Come on, my channel. Pause that. As you can see, way more. Here, look. This is full brightness. Brightness. Full. And look at the difference. This one's way more brighter. Way more. This is like cold filtered. And what I can tell is this one, oh my god, I already got fingerprints. You can tell this one's more clear. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below if you think I should sell my old laptop. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will do a follow-up video. So stay tuned.